Class 7th. Subject English. Lesson 8. An earthquake. Let us read and enjoy the poem. An earthquake. As I lay wide awake, my beds began to shake. Was my fear real or fake? The trembling fan confirmed the quake. The houses came crashing down. Oh, my God, cried the whole town. A moment ago, the town stood tall. Now fragments, on the ground, it crawls. Turned to rubble, changed into debris. Houses, road, park and trees. Everywhere, everything is found. Kissing and taking to the ground. People out of their cost homes. Some of which have now become tombs.